So in 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you guys how to pick the right window washing fluid for your Tesla and show you how to change it, because you could actually pick the wrong one. Let me show you. In the official Tesla's owner's manual, which no one reads, it officially says not to use water repellent or bug wash. It can actually cause streaking, smearing, or squeaking noises, so you may want to avoid those. So right here is an example of the bug remover window washing fluid, but they didn't have any in stock, so I want to show you guys. Just make sure you pick the ones without hydrophobic solutions or bug remover on them. To access your window washing fluid reservoir, you hit the open front button on your Tesla screen. So we open up the front right here, and the window washing fluid reservoir should be on the right side. Also, side note, you may want to use a darker fluid like purple so it doesn't show up on your white car if you have a white Tesla like mine. Just to know as well, when you're using or you're choosing window washing fluid, just use window washing fluid, don't use water. In the manual, it actually states that if you put anything but window washing fluid in the reservoir, much like unfiltered water, it can cause bacteria growth in your climate control system, and no one wants that. So to avoid unnecessary smell or bacteria in your climate control system, just use only window washing fluid, please. So that's how you replenish your window washing fluid for your Tesla. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to check out another video right here.